Hey, welcome to this Science Masterclass. Today we're going to learn about how we have learnt about the human body. My name is Mr. Salagaras. This is part of my Year 8 Science Biology course. So, we're going to learn today about Aboriginal X-ray art, Egyptian medical writings and dissections, traditional Chinese medicine, and the work of William and John Hunter. So, Aboriginal X-ray art was produced by Indigenous Australians and Torres Strait Islander people. Okay, this sort of artwork showed what the Aboriginal people knew about the human anatomy or the body and how it worked. This work often showed outlines of the body, hence the name X-ray art, and the structures on the inside. So they would show things like ribs, bones, and that sort of thing, and also body parts. Okay, Egyptian. We also know a lot about Egyptian medicine from writings left on papyrus. So papyrus is just paper made from reeds. So we know that the Egyptians were studying humans and how their organs worked and how the bodies worked. Egyptians often made dissections of both humans and animals. When they were mummifying things, they would often take out the organs and store them in what's called a canoptic jar, so that the mummy could take it to the afterlife. We know a lot about Chinese medicine also from records that were kept in writing. So Chinese medicine was really strongly linked to spirituality and how people interacted with the environment. That really influenced the ideas that the Chinese had of the way that the body worked. John and William Hunter were real pioneers or thinkers about the way that the body works. They started up medical schools to study how the body worked, and they were teachers for surgeons at the time. So their primary focus was on pregnancy and childbirth, and they did a bit of controversial work where they if women died during pregnancy, they would still cut open their body and see how everything worked and perform C-sections and all that sort of thing. So a little bit controversial, but without their work, perhaps we wouldn't have that understanding of pregnancy, midwifery, and childbirth that we do today. So let's talk a little bit about what a dissection is. A dissection is just a process of disassembling, and studying the internal structures of an organism, such as a human or a plant. So cutting open, taking apart, and looking at what makes up an organism is what a dissection is. Okay, let's summarize the main points. We talked about Aboriginal X-ray art, Egyptian medical writings, traditional Chinese medicine, and the work of William and John Hunter. Hey, make sure you like this video, comment on it, and most importantly, if there's a point that you missed, make sure you go back and watch this one again. Thanks for watching.